Ladies and gentlemen, here you have a multi-billion profit today in the markets with an astonishing rally in just a matter of days since we announced to cover short positions after predicting a crash in the US stock market, downgraded to strong sell at $170, the markets they plunged, triggering worldwide losses in the amount of $4 trillion. And you had the alert to cover your short positions precisely at the very bottom, reversing to the long side, and you had the arguments to do it, the profits, the capital, the everything in real time, as we discuss, unlike the rest of the industry. Most investors, they continue gambling the markets while we trade in the markets with 100% accuracy. No matter which financial asset, always proven live on the tape. So today you got $161 plus, I repeat, in just a matter of days. And obviously, 100% robotic trading, you don't have to do anything other than to follow up the instructions ahead of the most profitable moves in the markets. Okay, thank you very much, and don't forget, the only person in the world that informed you that crypto markets, the cryptocurrencies, they were going to crash, to melt, it was here precisely in this Twitter channel. They melted 85%, Ripple, Bitcoin, every single one. Everyone else said that cryptocurrencies at the very top, they were buying, they continue buying, and they collapsed as we predicted. Remind that several years ago, when we turned bullish cryptocurrencies, namely Bitcoin at $195, the same people that today they were raising targets to 500,000 and so on, they were bearish Bitcoins, they never got Bitcoins. At that time, we accepted Bitcoins as a payment. You understand? The articles, they are available in the blog of the company for years, addressing these facts, okay? So the people that, credible sources as us, that they have been defining the market's history for years, those are the ones behind the market moves, not the gamblers or the scammers that they tell you or trying to sell an idea. All right? Thank you. Bye.